everyone, and welcome to my channel for this special video to celebrate my first YouTube year. The phone is fallen. Comments, like and subscribe. This is what YouTuber need. I would like to tell you thank you. The family up to now is about 270 people that I thank, and to whom I dedicate my effort and hope to get better, and always better. In this year I've made about 66 videos, mainly on cars. We had 2 videos on boats, 2 videos on little planes, the peanut, they say, they call peanut, crawlers, rally cars, upgrades, some texts about radios or similar, and for the future I have great ideas. By now I'm pleased to remember some pieces that made the history of this year, and perhaps this is the one. This car has about the most views. WL toys are very, but they are very popular, and I expected such a result, but not on this. And in the last days I've published the history. I'm going to publish, we have 2 more videos about the Subaru. 2 rally cars, very different. The older, this is less older, it's quite old, and this is for tarmac, and this is for off-road. Very nice. And during this past year I've bought the Red Cat Genate, wonderful. I moved my first steps in the crawler world, but I'm fascinated from everything, so I bought this one. Do you remember this? And I have made also this modification using this tube. This is very soft, like the real one. I like it. And this is very good. I have to explore even more. I don't have used it a lot, but the one I would like to have is the UDR, the bigger one that it's another thing. It's wonderful. Maybe one day. It's an old car, it's not new. Speaking about the channel, I told you 270 subscribers, good comments, like, okay, don't like, and this is the part that thrills me, because I would like to know exactly why you don't like. From the don't like, you have to learn. Then, which are the numbers? Views in 1 year, about 365 days. More than 45,000. It's not a lot, but considering the start, 10 people that made views on my first video, 10, 15, up to now I can speak about hundreds, and the goal is to speak about thousands, hundreds of thousands. Maybe, if I may be able, if you like my way to speak about this hobby, this passion. And in a few days I will begin. This is a part. This is not for the car lovers, but this is poetry. It's wonderful. It's a very, very nice way to spend the time, and it improve your skills also for this. Remember, you have to know everything about models and how to do them. The more you know, the better they come. So, this is my video to share with you my first YouTube year. Hope it will be useful for any one of you who want to start. It's a long way, it's hard, you have to insist, and from the first day you have to think at your channel as a channel of thousands of subscribers. You have to be professional, you have to do the best you can, and of course, invest some money. So, by now, thank you very much. There's a thing that I want to say, and it is comment, like, and subscribe. And up to the next video on Wednesday. Thank you very much to everyone.